picked up the new MacBook. Decided to go to a coffee shop to do an unboxing with my friend here. So let's go check out what's inside the box. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
The Coaching Cafe. It's packed. It's locked. No pets allowed. Alright, there's a back table. Oh my god, everyone's working remote here. Back corner, back corner. Go, 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 back corner. Secure the spot. Hi guys, so I forgot my tripod, so having my friend hold it. I took off the things at the bottom. Simple unboxing. What's inside? The usual. Oh, matching MagSafe. You seeing this? Matching MagSafe colors matches with the color which I got. Charging. Here's my USB-C. Oh, it's right there. Let's get this. Let's hear that sweet noise. Literally unboxing in a random coffee shop. Didn't even bring my work laptop. Just gonna use this. There's the machine. There you go, guys. That's all I'll post for this video. I'll be setting it up, doing the usual. Meanwhile, Dave, what'd you get here?
Spinach feta croissant.
Spinach feta croissant. Come out to Denver, guys, and we'll be making some content together. Alright, so I'm setting up my machine. Dave, what do you think of the weight compared to your MacBook Air?
It's actually pretty light.
But it's heavier than yours.
Here, hold it. Or here. I don't know. It's not that much heavier than mine, actually.
This is an Intel. Wait, are you kidding me? This is so light.
Yours is very light.
No. It's because we just worked out at Planet Fitness, so our gains are off. We can't tell.
Swole, dude. Too swole.
Alright, time to continue setting this up. Alright everyone, from the coffee shop, it started out at around 80% charge. I know it's really loud here, but it's got 11 hours time remaining, installing Minecraft, League of Legends, Dota 2, so I'll get those benchmarks out soon. But I think until then, I'll just be setting everything up and setting this up for work and posting some content online. So just early impressions, seems exactly like the last one I had, but this time I really like the 14-inch compared to the 16-inch. And other than that, I'm gonna go through further testing. Probably take this device to Australia for my travels. I'll see you guys in some of the detailed benchmarks. Peace. I've got some of my content in. Just wanted to do a extended battery test, so it's now 12:46 and this video was about 11:29 when I started unboxing it and initially testing it out. So with the activity monitor, it says, or I guess it tells me right there, at minute 38 it was at 70, now it says I have 30 minutes left. So what I've been doing is I installed Google Chrome, Steam is downloading, Dota 2, installed Final Cut Pro from the App Store, Teams, League of Legends is downloading, so it's very heavy initial load. That, like, not ideal what people would want to be testing in, but obviously these are the conditions that are in. So I've plugged in 52% battery life, and it's telling me that Steam, Final Cut, and League of Legends is using a lot of the battery. So I just started editing this. It was very quick, and I'm not really going to put too much into it, but anyways, long story short, seems like pretty good battery life right now. Alright, so that's about it. Wanted to look at my keyboard because 1 hour from a coffee shop and my hands are really woolly. Not ideal. But still downloading, and pretty much just going to be here at the coffee shop, and I'll keep you updated on some of the future videos on how the battery life lasts. But we got League of Legends downloading and Dota 2, and then I also have Minecraft ready to be spun up. And my buddy's still here doing work. But until then, if you guys enjoyed this early impressions, let me know in the comments what particular things you want to see. Someone commented they want to see Minecraft with some shaders, and so I'll test that out. Again, this was the M2 Pro with the baseline one that's 2K, so I think it's 16 cores, 12 core CPU. Anyways, you guys will look it up. See you guys in the next video. Peace.